inverse cosine x will not be equal to x unless x is largely between 0 and pi. Find the exact value of inverse cosine square root of 2 over 2. It means we're looking for the arc whose cosine is square root of 2 over 2. Looking at the reference triangle, that arc is pi over 4. And it's located in the first quadrant between 0 and pi. Inverse cosine square root of 2 over 2 is equal to pi over 4 or 45 degrees. Find the exact value of arc cosine -1/2. Looking at the reference triangle, we will find a reference angle whose cosine is 1/2, and that's reference angle theta prime is 60 degrees or pi over 3. So we have our reference angle, but because cosine pi over 3 is equal to 1/2, we need to find the arc whose cosine is negative 1/2. Now, we must work within the interval 0 pi. Therefore, we're going to subtract pi over 3 from pi in order for us to find the angle whose cosine is -1/2. Pi is 3 pi over 3. 3 pi over 3 minus pi will be 2 pi over 3. So that angle theta is 2 pi over 3. And this is our answer. The arc whose cosine is -1/2 is equal to 2 pi over 3. Find the exact value of cosine of inverse cosine of -3/4. Because -3/4 belongs to the interval -1, 1, which means that -3/4 is largely between -1 and 1. Its inverse cosine exists, and the cosine of the inverse cosine of -3/4 will be -3/4 for B. Now remember, for cosine to have an inverse, we must work in the interval 0 pi. Therefore, -7 pi over 6 must be expressed as a positive angle to see if it falls within 0 pi. -7 pi over 6 is coterminal to. We add 2 pi to -7 pi over 6. We get 12 pi over 6 minus 7 pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6. Notice that 5 pi over 6 belongs to, is a positive angle, and it belongs to the interval 0 pi. Its inverse exists, and the arc cosine of cosine -7 pi over 6 is equal to 5 pi over 6.